Welcome to our tutorial on copying a sketch. Here I've got a sketch. Let's right-click and show. It's an 8x6 rectangle positioned on this face 25 millimeters from this edge, and it's 6 millimeters from this edge. Let's unselect it. While the sketch is selected, let's choose Edit, Copy. Now we can select Edit, Paste, and I'll end up with Sketch 3 pasted in the exact same location. Let's undo it. In order to place the sketch on a different face or plane, I need to select that face or plane first, and then select Edit, Paste. The sketch will be placed where my mouse selection was. Afterward, I can manipulate it by, let's say, dragging it. Let's exit the sketch, and we'll right-click and delete this sketch. I want to look at another way to copy a sketch now. Press Ctrl and grab the sketch and just simply drag it on the face where I want to position it. Once again, I can manipulate it, drag it around, resize it, and so on. Let's exit, and we'll delete this sketch also. I can also copy an entire feature. Like I mentioned previously, the sketch is positioned on this face using these two dimensions. When I Control-Grab Extrude To and drag it onto this face, SolidWorks prompts me with a Copy Confirmation dialog window. There are external constraints in the features being copied. Do I want to delete them or leave them dangling? SolidWorks is referring to my two-dimensional constraints of 6 and 25 millimeters. Let's choose Dangle. Now SolidWorks gives me a warning. This sketch contains dimensions or relations to model geometry which no longer exists. Let's click Close and fix it. Now we right-click, select Edit Sketch. When I select Dimension, I see some red dots. Let's drag these and reattach. Same thing with these dimensions. We drag and reattach. And the sketch is now fully dimensioned. We can change the dimensions now with 20 millimeters, for example. And let's say 25 millimeters here. OK. Let's exit the sketch. And we'll undo again. Now if I simply drag this feature and drop it in a different place without holding the Control key, keep, close, I have a move instead of a copy. Once again, we need to right-click and reattach the dimensions. This one seems to be fine. This one, SolidWorks was able to recalculate. Let's exit our sketch. Everything looks fine now, and this concludes our tutorial on copying a sketch.